In this video, I wanted to show you EOSRP, which stands for EOS Resource Planner, and this is essentially a calculator you can use to calculate EOS to various resources used on the EOSIO blockchain. So if you, let's say you want to spend 10 EOS on RAM, you can find out just how much megabytes of RAM that will get you. Likewise, if you wanted to spend 10 EOS on bandwidth, you could see how much bandwidth that will give you, and vice versa. You can say, let's say I need 4 kilobytes of RAM to create an account. You can see how much it costs in EOS to create an account currently. They also keep an updated ticker on RAM price, network price, and CPU price, as well as the EOS to US dollar conversion, so you can see just roughly how much everything costs. This often gets linked in the Telegram when people are asking, how much it's going to cost to create an account. Or people often say, let's say my account or my dApp goes viral and I get 10,000 users a day. How much is this going to cost me? Different things like that. So yeah, that's a useful tool to be aware of. I'll see you in the next video.